Hello students, welcome to our first class. Today from our English 8th book, we are going to learn our first poem, Be the Best. And this poem teaches us how we can be and we can do our best in every field or wherever we are. So let's begin with chit chat section. The first question in our chit chat section is, have you got a prize in any competition? And what will be the answer? Yes, I have got a prize in either a swimming competition or in a drawing competition or in a Rangoli competition, running competition. In our school, we participate in many competitions. So you can name one of them. Or the second answer will be, no, I haven't got any prize. So let's move on with the first answer. Yes, I have got a prize in drawing competition. How did you feel at that time? I was happy, I was excited, and I was very, very glad. मी खूप खुश होतो ज्या दिवशी मला बक्षीस मिळालं. कारण सगळ्यांनी आपल्यासाठी तेव्हा टाळ्या वाजवलेल्या असतात आणि आपल्याला कळतं की आपण जे केलंय ते योग्य आहे. Have you ever failed in your efforts? Yes, we have sometimes failed in our efforts. How do you think we should accept success as well as failures? तुम्हाला असं वाटतं का की आपण यशासोबतच अपयश सुद्धा स्वीकारलं पाहिजे? निश्चित स्वीकारलं पाहिजे. Because it is said that failure is the first step of success. When we fail, we try again and we get success. What will be your reaction if you are not selected in a team? एखाद्या टीममध्ये, संघामध्ये जर तुमची निवड झाली नाही तर आपल्याला कसं वाटतं? इफ यू आर अ गुड प्लेयर, चांगला खेळाडू असूनही जर तुम्हाला नाही घेतलं तर मग वी फील बॅड, आय फील सॅड, नर्वस, sometimes I feel angry. So these are some of the reactions that we face or we feel when we are not selected for any team. कधी कधी आपल्याला राग येतो की नाही, मला कसं काय घेतलं नाही, मी तर एवढा चांगला खेळाडू आहे. पण टीमची संख्या पूर्ण झालेली असते, आपल्याला घेतलं जात नाही. मग आपल्याला कधी राग येतो, कधी वाईट वाटतं, कधी आपण समटाइम्स वी क्राय. All these things happen. Read aloud the following sets of words: river, stream, sea, ocean. River, stream, sea, ocean. Then the second set is hill, stone, mountain, rock. Hill, stone, mountain, rock. The third set is plant, sapling, tree, seed. Plant, sapling, tree, seed. And the fourth one is child, adult, baby, youth. That is child, adult, baby, youth. Now we have read all these words. Let's see what is the next activity. Rearrange each of the above sets of words according to the increasing order of their size or growth. आता इथं आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, तर वरती जे 4 शब्द दिलेले आहेत प्रत्येक सेट मधले ते त्यांच्या आकाराच्या किंवा वाढीच्या नुसार चढत्या क्रमात मांडायचे. इन्क्रीजिंग ऑर्डर, चढता क्रम काय असेल किंवा आकारामध्ये पहिल्यांदा सगळ्यात छोटं काय आहे आणि सगळ्यात शेवटी सगळ्यात मोठं काय आहे. सो द स्मॉलेस्ट वन विल बी द फर्स्ट थिंग amongst them and the biggest one or the largest one will be the last thing. So now let's take our first set: river, stream, sea and ocean. So the smallest thing in this set is stream, odha. Then the second word will be river, nadi. Third will be sea, samudra. And the fourth one, the biggest one, is ocean, Mahasagar. So our answer will be stream, river, sea, ocean. Now the second set, that is hill, stone, mountain and rock. So what is the smallest thing here? The smallest thing we have in this set is stone. Then the second thing is rock. Then the third will be hill. And the biggest thing is mountain. So the answer will be stone, khada, dagad, rock, hill, dongar and mountain, parvat. Stone, rock, hill, mountain. The third set, let's read out the third set. Plant, sapling, tree, seed. Now what is the smallest thing here? That is seed. झाडाचं बीज जे सर्वात लहान असतं. Then the second thing is sapling. Sapling, रोपटं. Then there is plant, लहान झाड. And the last one is tree, वृक्ष. So the answer will be seed, sapling, plant and tree. What is the correct order? Seed, sapling, plant and tree. Then the fourth set, that is the child, adult, baby, youth. Now these are the growing stages of human being. So it is our first stage, that is baby. Then the second stage is child, third one is youth and the fourth one is adult. So the answer is baby, child, youth and adult. In this way we can arrange these words in their increasing size. Now let's move on. In your pre-primary class, you must have read the story of the Lion and the Mouse. Read it in English and fill in the gaps using words given in the box. So, खूप लहानपणी आपण जेव्हा पहिली दुसरी बदलतो तेव्हा ही गोष्ट आपण नक्कीच ऐकली किंवा वाचली आहे. सिंहाची आणि उंदराची. आता तीच गोष्ट मी आपल्याला इंग्लिशमध्ये दिलेली आहे. And now we are going to complete this story by using the words given in the कंसातले शब्द आहेत ते शब्द आपल्यासाठी वापरून आपल्याला एक गोष्ट बनवायची असते. आपल्याला परीक्षेमध्ये सुद्धा असे प्रश्न येतात आणि जर आपण एक शब्द चुकलो तर नक्कीच आपला दुसरा शब्द सुद्धा चुकतो. त्यामुळे पहिल्यांदा गोष्ट वाचा आणि त्याच्यानुसार कंसामध्ये शब्द योग्य केले. I was ready to speak. I said that the lion, I let it go. One day, the lion was in a net stuck by the hunters. It acted loudly as it did. The mouse came. The net with its sharp teeth and set the lion down. त्या बॅटमध्ये आपल्याला प्रयत्न करतो जे शब्द sleeping in a forest. A mouse started playing on him. The lion woke up angrily. I was ready to kill it. The lion knew it and said that someday it would help the lion. And he let him go. One day, the lion was in a net. He roared loudly. As it fell too hard to stay. The mouse heard the lion and came. So the lion all the words that speak. For the first words, fast. Third word is pure. Fourth word is half. Fifth word is lost. Seventh word is love. Eighth is love. Ninth is
Yes.